Hi guys, so it's me, I'm Ara. I am Team Faku Makbaj girlfriend. No, serious note. So today, I'm sitting in this chair, the famous chair, and we're gonna do a quick guess of how much this. Can I swear?
Go ahead, I'll just
Motherfucker spent in this gears. Seriously. So we're gonna guess how much he spends in this gears.
Okay, how much I spend on my gear.
Okay, we're gonna guess how much he spends in these gears.
On
English, babe. Hey guys, so it's me, it's Ara, A to the R to the A. So today we're gonna guess how much Tim spends on his gears.
This one
Ooh,
right here.
this
Show it
tiny.
to the camera first though.
This is it. Oh, this is how you do it, don't you?
Yeah,
Guys, this is the smell.
okay, let me yeah.
We'll see it. Yeah, this tiny bit. I'm guessing. What's this for?
That's an audio.
Is it
Yeah.
300?
Huh?
300 pounds?
You're close, but it's actually 200.
200?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I was thinking 250.
Alright, you tried. That was a good one.
I'm smart. What can I say?
So
Oh, I know this. This is where you check it. You attach it to the speaker stuff.
you got that right though. Is it because you've seen all of this before?
Yeah. So this is what he used to attach when he's doing weddings. Speaker, making sure that the sounds works. Am I right?
Yeah, you're actually right.
And you thought I'm only a nurse.
Okay. How much is that?
I would guess this as. This is actually hard, you know. I'm so competitive. I want things to be right. So, 450. 450 for this. 450.
You're actually very like close. When I go there, I actually go for 450.
So what's the price?
Yeah, it's around 400 to 450 currently.
So what's the price?
Yeah,
What's the price
the price.
for getting it?
Alright, I'll give you kisses.
This is a microphone. So this is microphone. There you go. That's a microphone. This is what we put of people. So we record what they're saying during weddings. Or this is what Tim uses when he do his videos. 800. Or is it 600?
Decide. You just need to decide on one
Can I
price.
get a clue?
I'm not giving you a clue. You just say what you think it is.
700.
Final answer.
650.
So undecisive.
650. I'm going for 650. I think my guts is telling me it's 650.
Okay, your gut literally failed you. Don't trust your gut next time. Your gut is a big fail. Okay, are you ready for it?
800. It was 800.
Are you ready for it?
I'm ready.
Okay, as when I bought it for £300. But yeah, it's around 250 right now.
What, all three of them?
Yeah, all three of them.
I thought being a photographer and videographer was expensive.
So it's cheap, yeah? I love this one.
What's this? Oh, I know this is my favorite.
How is this your favorite?
This is my favorite because isn't it? This is where I see things
Yeah.
when I join him weddings. This is where, because I'm small, and sometimes he will put things right at the top, so it captures like everyone and things like that. So this is how I see whether I am capturing the right thing. I would say this is 350.
350. Final answer, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, good. That's good.
Is it 350?
No, I bought it for £500.
So why are you hyping me up? Why are you hyping me up? Yeah, that's good. That's good.
I need to gas you up. Yeah. Okay. So now we're moving on. We got this right here for you.
Oh, this is the drone that I never saw him use.
Boy, why I use it? But yeah.
Drones are expensive. Knowing your taste, you would never ever go for something that's gonna get ruined just because it's cheap. So this should be around £600. Because he just said 500 in the last one, so I'm guessing this is 600.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah, well, that's good. You actually tried. At least you didn't go way off and all of that. As when I bought it for £1,200. So
Oh my
yeah.
god, I thought you said 8,000.
No, 1,200.
1,200.
Yeah. Why are you looking at it like that? Thank you. All right, you're doing well. Give it to me.
I could buy a Philippine ticket with that. I could go into my country. So if I want to go into my country, I know what to sell.
Wow. This right here.
One of your 10,000 lenses. This is Fujifilm 85mm.
So it's actually like a 56mm, but 85.
Why does it say 85?
Yeah, it's a full frame equivalent of 85mm. Yeah.
Okay, whatever that is, that's
Okay.
I would say this is around 1,400. My gut told me it's 1,400.
1,400.
Huh?
1,400. Okay, that's good. It's actually £1,000 on the dot. That's
Is
the amount I
it?
bought it. Yeah.
I was thinking
You see, your
1,200.
gut has really been failing you today, babe. do something about the gut.
This is Fujifilm
It shows.
weather resistant 23mm.
Yeah.
Considering this is tiny, but then even though it's tiny, it could be expensive as well, like a ring. I'm joking. Be quiet, my gut is telling me something.
This is the gut that has been failing us since.
No, I trust my gut. My gut. Gut is telling me £800.
£800. Final answer.
Babe, this is made in the Philippines!
Maybe. Is it?
Yeah!
Interesting. So you said £800.
Yeah, £800.
Oh. Final answer, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Considering made in the Philippines, it'll be cheaper. No offense.
Okay, so babe, you're actually right.
It's £800!
800.
Got one right. Ooh, this is big. So, see what I mean? 1,000 was a little bit smaller than this. And then the tiny that is smaller than the first one was less. So I would assume this is expensive one. So this is Sony 135mm.
Yeah, that's it. So how much is it?
1,600 pounds.
Are you cheated?
No, I'm not. My gut told me it's 160 pounds, 600 pounds, and my gut told me earlier it's 800, so I think it's trying to make it up.
You're correct. It's 1,600.
I'm your girlfriend for a reason, bro. I wouldn't be assisting you to all these weddings without knowing all these prices. I'm adding it all up so we can deposit some house. So considering this is bigger than the first one but smaller than the third one, I would say this is around 1,200. ASMR.
Okay, that's actually 700 pounds.
Wait, sorry, wait. 700 pounds?
Yeah.
For this?
Yeah.
35 ml earlier is 800. Was it 800?
Yeah.
It was 800. This is Sigma 50 mm.
Yeah.
As it's from Japan, I would say it's the guts telling me is 1,200.
Okay. That's 850. Don't you? This is your gut. You need to just dump your gut somewhere.
I'm trying to calculate it.
It doesn't work like that.
This lens is Fujifilm 35 mm.
Okay.
It's around 600.
The lens here.
Yeah, it's around 600. I swear it's around 600.
Final answer. That's 400 pounds. Now to the camera body.
Camera body, I would say this is 1,200.
What camera is that?
This is Fujifilm X-T5.
So what did you call the price?
1,200, around that.
Okay, cool. It's 1,500.
See? How many diamond rings can you buy with that? With all these equipments. With all these gears. This is Sony A7 IV. That is 1,500.
1,500.
No, I'm thinking. I'm not listening to my gut as well. I'm listening to my brain. But my brain could be dumb as well. 2,000.
2,000 pounds. Final answer.
You know what? I feel like you get excited when I get it right. And then when I don't get it right, you're just like, are you sure? Final answer.
Is that final answer?
1,800.
Pick one.
1,200. No, 1,800. 1,800.
1,800. Okay. Alright, so when I got that particular camera, it was 2,500. So currently right now,
it's 2,000. It's 2,000.
yeah, it's around 2,200 to 2,000. You can get around that range.
So I was right. It was 2,000.
No, you said 1,800.
Well, first answer always the one that counts.
This camera currently filming you right now. How much do you think this camera is?
This is Samsung A what?
This is Sony.
Sony Samsung.
Sony FX3.
Okay, let's do that again.
Yeah.
This is Sony A
FX3. FX3.
Sony AX.
Sony FX3.
Sony FX3.
Yeah.
The one we're currently using. I would say, I'm looking at the Sony earlier. 2,100.
2,100. Final answer.
Final answer.
Okay. That's
2,180.
That's 4,000 pounds. When I got it. Yeah, that's 4,000 pounds.
Bro, that's 2 months of my wage. Thanks, NHS.
Yeah. Okay, so it's currently filming you with this lens right on it, which is a 24mm G Master lens, f1.4. How much do you think the lens is gonna be?
I'm shocked right now. I never knew it was 4,000. 4,000 pounds.
Bro, how much is the lens on it?
That's so tiny as well.
Yeah.
How come it's 4,000?
Because it's only FX3 in it.
So what does the freaking letter and numbers and Sony?
Is what it does that matters.
So So what does it does? It takes pictures, takes videos.
No, it doesn't take pictures.
Takes videos.
Yeah, it's majority for videos.
I can take videos in my phone.
Yeah, that's true. Why don't you use your phone? Yeah, just 24mm. So
1,000.
final answer.
800.
I'm just asking you. That doesn't mean you should change your mind.
800. 1,000.
I'm just. You don't need to look at my facial expression for crying out loud.
Yeah. Crazy. 1,000.
1,000, Abby.
Going once, going twice.
Yeah, actually close. But as when I bought it, I bought it for 1,250.
You know, my gut told me say 1,200.
Yeah, that would have been really close. You'd have almost you'd have gotten it, but unfortunately, you followed your gut again.
No, I told you my gut told me say 1,200. You manipulated the fact that my gut is telling me wrong things. Oh, they is shouting 10,000.
How is it shouting 10,000?
Because it includes videos of weddings, pictures of clients, which equivalents to 15,000.
So how much do you think the cards are roughly? Just a single one out of all of them.
No, because when you tell me you were looking for a memory card or SD card, you were telling me how much it is and what the size should be, and I was looking at how much it was, and it was around £200.
So what's your
around £200 for this?
Everything or a single one?
Just a single one. You said single one. Why are you changing it?
I'm just trying to make sure now. Okay, yeah, we'll tell you you're actually correct with that one.
This one is to correct your color.
How do you know all of this stuff?
I'm your girlfriend.
Interesting. So you mean
I'm
busy?
your girlfriend.
See, you're touching it! You're not meant to touch it! Oh my god! You're not meant to touch
Can you not wipe it? Can you not wipe it? Babe?
No, I can't.
So what happened now?
How much is that?
You love this more than me? £800.
Really?
Yeah.
So if I come to meet you and I tell you that I bought that stuff for £800, you would actually like
500.
Yeah?
Yeah, 500.
Okay, I bought it for 125.
125 pounds?
Yeah.
Oh, buy loads of it. I'll buy you a new one if it doesn't work anymore because I touched it. I'll buy you a new one.
Alright, so how much do you think that is?
Guys, this is the MacBook Pro. This is £3,299.
The confidence for me. Okay.
3,299.
So 3,300. Okay, you're correct. Yeah, that's the end of it really. So you can see photography and videography is quite cheap, innit?
Photography can buy you a car. Can have you deposit a house. So guys, that's the end of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. So click like, the bell button. I'm just pretending there's like a sign for it. Tim, put it, yeah? Put it.
Okay.
The bell button so you get the newest update of the YouTube channel of Team McBadge. And click the subscribe button, please. Thank you.
Alright, thank you. Bye guys.
Ooh, you just call me fine. What does it do? Makes my face brighter?
Yeah.
I'm already bright. I don't need anything else to make me bright.